seems that Samsung is still looking for ways to offer a differentiating component in the market, and while recently we talked about how it wants to earn points when trying to anticipate the launch of a mobile phone, we now know that the South Korean giant could be working on a technology that many will make you happy. The company registered in February 2017 a patent that shows that it would be working on the development of a self-repairing oleophobic coating that would be applied to the glass that covers the back of many mobile devices. This patent application was published this month by the World Intellectual Property Organization and therefore has come to light. In said patent, the coating is described as a film or laminate formed by compounds such as polyhedral silsesquioxane and polyrotaxane. It is important to bear in mind that oleophobic coatings for cover glass are not new, since they have been applied for a long time in telephones to repel fingerprints.